pieces of whole engine left over.
Well, this is a small way of how we do it. This is a motor, a Mack E7 engine. Take it from the bottom, trim it down, pull it all the way to the ground. All parts put aside. You can see parts is all around in pieces. Take a good look. That's a starter, timing cover off, engine shell out. This is just part one of how we do it. JLT. They say hi, but he good though. So this is how we do it. Alright. Got my buddy here, Junior, with me. Team worker. Always push me to the top to get it done. Alright. So this is just part one. In a minute or two, we'll show you part two. How we do it, put it back together, and get it started up on the ground.
Ready to roll.
So in a minute, we'll have part two. Just take a good look of how we do it. Everything, pull, trim down to the ground. Strictly to the ground. Alright? So in a minute, we'll be having part two. Okay, 10-4.